Today we are going from this to this, and I will show you how I do it right after this. Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. So today I'm going to show you how I cut and curl a short pixie look, and we're going to get started. But if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. If you like the video, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Okay, so as you see, we are already getting started. Our canvas is already a short look, but now we have to trim it up. And what we do on a pixie look like this, you do a uniform cut. And when I say uniform, I just mean the hair is even, basically all throughout the crown, top part of the hair. And then when you go towards the back, you are going to taper, which is a little bit shorter and just brought in, as you will see while I'm cutting. So what I'm doing right now, I am just trimming her ends. Her hair was already uniform, so it grows. Everybody's hair grows different. So if you're a hairstylist, you know that some people's hair grows faster on the sides, some people's hair grows faster on the top, some people's hair grows faster in the back. It really just depends on the client. And my client here, hair grows faster on the sides and the back. Her top doesn't grow that fast, so I have to go ahead and trim those sides and back, as you see. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video.
That I should speak my mind, but if I did that, baby, I would be talking all the time. I'm not trying to be puzzle pieces. No, you wanna hear I'm satisfied. Vulnerability is my weakness. I don't wanna keep it all inside. I like it when we're trying to be quiet. You know when the goes slow. I like it that I don't have to tell you where to put your hands. I like it that you just know. I like you shy, but you know when to open up. I like it that I don't have to tell you where to put your hands. I like it that it just flows. I like it, I like it. I like it. I like it, I like it. I like it. I know that it's hard to read me. I know I get nervous all the time, but it's your presence, baby. My inhibitions can't unwind. Cause you provide my blood. It's been burning for so long. To say it to you is just too much. I'd rather write it in a song. I like it when we're trying to be quiet. You know when the goes slow. I like it that I don't have to tell you where to put your hands. I like it that you just know. I like you shy, but you know when to open up. I like it that I don't have to tell you where to put your hands. I like it that it just flows.
Okay, so her hair is all trimmed. I want to talk to you a little bit on how to curl a pixie. Basically, you're going to comb her hair in different directions, swirl it around a little bit, and you'll see a direction of how her hair is combed or how you want to curl it. So once you do that comb, and this is really easy with a shortcut, a relaxed shortcut, I should say, you'll kind of see how you want to curl that hair. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just going to curl it in the direction that I combed it.
Brought me many realizations. 20 taught me never be complacent. I've got 20 years and I'm still changing. I've lived 20 lives and needed saving. So I got all these layers stacking out like Tetris. The depths of who I am cannot be seen in metrics. More than meets the eye or meets imagination. Cause I'm more than just a woman. I'm more than just a person. I got all these dimensions. Ooh. From the go, I was on my own. Had to find a home up in myself. Plant a seed and grow where I stood, cause I ain't have a shelf. And it's hard to understand when you don't know my roots. Yeah, it's hard to understand when you don't know the truth. Cause we all got some shit that we don't like to mention. And the things that keep me up, they made me who I am, yeah. So I can never sit back, say that I regret it. Every ounce of pain I felt became a lesson. I'm more than just a woman. I'm more than just a person. I got all these dimensions. Ooh. Cause I'm more than any judgment. I'm more than who I was, yeah. I got all these dimensions. Can someone tell me why every time I fall in love it seems to be at the wrong time? You walked into my life and I knew right then and there I wouldn't get you off my mind. But then I looked you up and there she was, in your arms all cute and stuff. You got someone who signs freaking up. Why does my heart attract over me? just wishing you were mine. Seems I found the right one at the wrong time. I'm just wishing you were mine. Can't keep holding on to these feelings inside. Why do you gotta be taken? Can't you see the heart is broken?
Alright guys, so basically this is the final look, but I want to tell you about pixie cuts and how you curl it. So like I said, I curled it in the direction that I wanted her hair to go, but you can kind of freak it, you can curl it, you can twist it, you can flip it up with your feather comb, however you want. This look can go so many different ways, but I want to thank you guys for watching. Go ahead, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. So as you see, her hair is all curled, but like I said, when it's short like that, you can kind of use your comb and do whatever you want with this cut. It is so easy to change. All right, I hope to see you guys in past, present, and future videos. Love you guys. Bye.
These days, I don't really care for all that empty conversation. No. These days, I don't care for competition. You're the one that's racing. No.